everyone, welcome back to new content of Site Roses. In today's video, we will discuss about the operation type in Odoo 18 inventory. In Odoo 18 inventory, operation types are crucial aspects for managing stock movement. They categorize different inventory transactions such as receiving goods from the supplier, delivering products to the supplier, and transferring stock between the locations and manufacturing finished goods. To manage with the operation type, let's dive into the inventory module. From there, under the configuration, we can find the operation types under the warehouse management. So as we just move on to the module here, you can see that we have different operation types like receipt, internal transfers, delivery orders, manufacturing, resupply, and all. If you want to create a new operation type, you can easily customize that by clicking on New button, where you can fill out the details of the operation type. And under the General tab, you can choose the type of operation. So there are different type of operations such as receipt, delivery, internal transfer, and manufacturing. Later on, you can choose the sequence prefix. You can also set a barcode that to be included under this operation type, and you can find the company field over there. Under the company field, you can see that as we are in the company's eyebrows, it will be belonging to the company's eyebrows. And if you want to set any return type, you can also choose the return type. And if you want to create the back orders, you can also choose the option like always need to ask or simply need to ask, or you don't if you don't want to create the back order for this operation type, you can also set that. We can also assign the lot and serial number creation during this operation. And we can also set a source location as well as a destination location. So whenever you just create or manage with the operation types, you can find all the available operation types under the inventory overview. This would give an analysis of the transfers that is delayed as well as the transfers that is for the next day and all. So here you can find the graphical representation with different colors. Now let's move on to the sales module and purchase module to see how we can manage with the operation type. So I'm going to the purchase module over here. In the purchase module, I'll be creating a new order from the customer, from the vendor Anita Oliva. So afterwards, you can just choose a product. I would like to purchase a product which is chair floor protection. So let me search for the product chair floor protection over here. I would like to purchase 100 quantity. Now let me save this. So before purchasing the item, let's confirm that the on-hand quantity. So currently you can see that we have only 3 quantity in our stock. So as we are just going to purchase the item, we will be having 100 more quantities in our stock. Now let me confirm the order. As I just confirmed the order, the next step is that to receive the item. So here you can see we are going to purchase 100 quantity of chair floor protection from the vendor Anita Oliva. So currently you can see that this transfer is ready, and as you just move on to the inventory module, under the inventory module, you can find the receipts. And here you can see that a transfer that is created for today. So let me choose the transfer that is created. Okay, this is the operation that we are just going to do. That is the operation type is receipt, receiving of the item. Now let me click on validate so that we can just receive the item into our stock. Now as we just move on to the chair floor protection, here you can see that we have currently 103 quantities over here. Now we can also just move on to the sales module to manage with the delivery operation. So I'm going to choose a customer as required, and I would like to purchase the item. As I just move on to the products, I would like to choose the same product, which is chair floor protection. Now let me confirm this. As I just confirmed the order, you can see that the next step is to deliver the item to the customer. Now, as we just move on to the inventory module, under the inventory module, you can see that under the delivery, a transfer that will be created. Okay. So as we just move on to here, you can find the transfer that is created for chair floor protection with 1 quantity. Now you can just click on validate so that we can just do with the delivery operation over here. Now we can also manage different transfers for the operation types. So for that, again, let me move on to the inventory module. Under the configuration, we can find the warehouses. We can manage the warehouses with 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and all. Currently, we just manage the incoming shipment and outgoing shipment with two step, not in two step, within one step. So as you just move on to the two step or three step, further operation types will be added under the overview. So you can just move on to the overview, and under the overview here you can see that we have a few more options like picking the item, then that will be moving to the packing zone. From the packing zone it will be moving to the delivery. Now let's move on to the configuration, and under the operation type here you can see that as we have enabled the two-step delivery as well as the two-step or three-step incoming of the item, here you can see the further added operation type like the pick operation, pack, then cross docking and all. So you can also check the quality of the item, and you can also manage the operations with the storage. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage the operation types in a business using Odoo. If you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cyprocess. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.